So today we got, you feel me, chicken and shrimp Alfredo. It's on like a bread instead of like, you feel me, an actual drum. Just something new you trying, you feel me? See how it hit. Little side Doritos. I love the Doritos. This is chicken one, this is shrimp one. It's like chicken and shrimp Alfredo on a bread down. You know what you might be thinking? Why is it on the bread and not, and then like, you feel me? Because we're trying something different on the garlic bread. You know the random videos that be popping up on Instagram? So good. On bread this time, instead of in the bowl, straight. For my bath, that's what we're sipping on. Bang. All right, so I was just informed. Just informed, the chicken one was jerk chicken. Not a fan of jerk chicken, man. So another shrimp Alfredo garlic bread joint because the shrimp one bangs. Shrimp one good, bro. Chicken one, man. Chicken. I mean, I look as crazy on camera, but I promise, it bangs. I couldn't even fake it. I think I like the other one. I don't know if you can see from my reaction, but I don't like jerk chicken, bro. Couldn't even fake it. Oh, man. So as you can see, I had two of them. A chicken Alfredo jump, a shrimp Alfredo jump. Unfortunately, I wasn't informed what the chicken Alfredo one was, so I'm gonna have to rate that one 2 out of 10. But the shrimp Alfredo on a garlic bread, man, it was definitely a 10 out of 10. I ain't even gonna hold you. Definitely might grab another one. But I'm good right now. Until next time, though. I got burp again. Peace.